Good morning. Good morning, all. So, next continuation cycle, ATO model sales order. Okay. So, yeah, already we discussed, but due to some instance issues, we couldn't complete testing. So, what is the ATO model sales order? I'll get an order from a customer. The two, I'll provide the options to customer. So then we'll go for assembling. Assembled product, I'll ship to customer. So this is what ATO model sales order. In the previous session, I was shown you um, item structure and how this will generate what star item, configured item. All we have discussed in previous session. Now directly I'll show you a cycle, how this will work. Okay. First, let me find one ATO model item. Yeah. So this is item AT. Okay. Here I go to order management. Order management. Create order. Business world. Okay. So this one is ATO model item. So when you find ATO model item, sorry, when you add ATO model item, so here you will find this button, configure and add. Okay, configure multiple items in a complex product such as anything. Okay. Click on this configure and add. So now what does that mean? We are giving options to customer based on customer requirement. So interest, so they will enable here. So here, which model is required? Standard or Pro? Anything you can choose. Based on this here, items will be added this side, right? So I selected Pro. Based on this, see here, different components added. So this is the price. Based on selection, finally, uh, Vision Slimline 500,000 price will be updated. So which color you want finish? Galaxy black or silver? I need silver. So this is the zero price. I think price is not defined. Our price created zero. For black, yeah, black also it is zero. Maybe sometimes they will not charge any thing color wise. Choose any color, price will be same. And 512 GB required. Mhm. That is $59. And Wi-Fi plus cellular, $49. So next tab, additional components. So model, connectivity, Wi-Fi. By default, some enabled here. Okay. Advanced camera. And advanced battery. Enable. I'll continue with 16 GB. Okay. So then accessories. Mm, 13 GB protector. So wireless earbuds. Okay. So then finish and review. So why I have selected this a customer requirement. Finish and review. So now once again you can verify what you selected, what is the price, all this. If everything is okay, selected items, components, then select OK. See now here added all components. So finally, price calculated $1395, right? How this 1395 calculated? Based on a selection, components, um, items selection, this price calculated. Then you can select other details. So shipping method, here also it is mandatory. So then supply, 002. It's a plant and inventory both. Okay. Here only based on selection components, product will be assembled. Then we'll ship from here. Okay. Then submit. Okay. So line status not started. Wait some time and observe how statuses will change. So that based on item, based on cycle, the status will update, right? And also, if you want, you can verify orchestration also. How steps will follow. See here, shape directly to showing as invoice. Or refresh. The schedule now. See now it is showing supply request complete. If it is standard sales order, you will find awaiting shipping, right? So here it is showing supply request complete. Then after awaiting shipping. Direct it will not come awaiting shipping. First it will come supply request complete, then awaiting shipping. So now here, yeah. See here, another section added, back to back. This back to back for production. Back to back we can maintain for a supplier also. Okay, you don't confuse this. Back to back section will enable or maintain for ATO model and back to back sales order. Now click on this supply order number. Here, select second line. See here, system generated star item, or we can say configured item also. So here awaiting work order nothing but job order that will be generated in Atlanta plant. And here click on this make. So here it is showing WIP status released. That means already work order is created. Manufacturing work order created. But document is not updated here. It will update generally immediately, but number is not showing here. But status it is showing released. That means after generating the number, then only it will show the status released. Okay, and also other place also we can find the same details. Okay, supply chain execution, supply orchestration. See this one, right? 210. Here it is showing as on track. That means, yeah, it is working fine. Click on this on track. And same way, how supply order I shown, right? See here, document number, nothing but where it was not shown this. This is the work order number. Where also you can find it, system has to show this in the sales order also, but it is not showing. From here also you can find more details. Similarly, you can find here, see, work order created. Work order created and it is reserved for sales order. That is the meaning. Next, we need to complete work order. Then we need to ship to the customer. There you go to make. See now, it is showing. In the sales order also now you can find it, no problem. Okay, now I'll go to manufacturing and I'll produce, I'll assemble product. Go to work execution. First, you can find the work order. How this is created, enter work order number. Select search. So this one is work order. You can find release status. And anyway, this will discuss in detail in manufacturing module. Okay. Now, part of the cycle we are discussing here now. So now here completion information, this is the sub inventory. Once product is assembled in inventory, will store in this sub inventory. From this sub inventory, I will pick and transfer to staging sub inventory. From there, I'll ship to my customer. See, we need to complete 5 operations. First, I will assemble tablet, then performance testing, then tablet testing, and monogram application, then packing. I'll complete all this operations in manufacturing floor. Then from 16th operation, I will move that assembled product to completed sub inventory. From completed sub inventory, I'll pick and ship to customer. Right? Yeah. See here components. I mean, see how these components are available here. I was selected, right? See all components coming like this. Here reservations. So this work order quantity already reserved for so and so sales order 98439. And the line details also you can find. Okay. Then let's start completing operations. Here you go to review dispatch list. My work order number 58, this one. This 200 star item, this 210. Just expand this icon and select complete with details. That means I am performing first operation, 10th operation. Next. See, all the components will supply from inventory to shop floor. This is resource allocation. Save and close. Yeah, first operation completed. Right now, actually total 6 operations are there. After completing 10th operation, now immediately it is showing 68. There is some option is available in real floor anyway, you will perform all 6. But in application, if you don't want to perform in application, those you can skip it. That option is available. There is the count point option. If count point is not enabled, that will be skipped. Now here what happened? For 20, 30, 40, 50, these 4 operations, count point is not enabled. That is the reason directly it is showing 60th operation. If count point enabled, each and every operation you should perform in the system. What is the count point? That also we'll discuss in manufacturing module. Now I'm completing last operation. Complete with details. Now I'll complete the last operation. Also assembled product, I'll move to inventory. See, inventory tab, you will find in the last operation only every time. Okay. So these are all resource allocation. Now completed. Now moving that assembled product to completed sub inventory. Or you can change. If you want, you can change any sub inventory. I'll change to stores. I want to store in the store sub inventory. Save and close. Now what happened? As per customer selection, I have that means system was generated work order. Then I completed operations. Then that product, assembled product, moved to inventory. Now from inventory, I need to ship. I need to pick and ship it. Before that, we'll go to inventory management. One is item quantities. Item store or 210, right? Here only one quantity on hand, right? Only one quantity only we produced. So it is stored in stores. View item availability. On hand is available, but available to transact 0, available to reserve 0. Why it is showing like this? Already this produced quantity reserved per particular sales order, particular customer. So that is the reason available to transact, available to reserve it is showing 0, but stock is available 1. So see, now already this product is produced for particular customer, right? Now this time customer is asking or customer is requesting, I don't want this item. Then how can you allocate this same item to some other customer if any other customer interested? Yes, it is possible. But first you have to unreserve this item against a particular um, sales order. Then you can reserve this item to quantity to some other customer. Also, some maybe always this assembled products may unique from customer to customer. I produced for particular customer, he is not interested now. I will go for dismantle. Why? Because another customer, he may not as it isly request. That also we can do it in work order. I will create what is that? Mm, rework. Then I will dismantle it. Okay. Go to order management. Order management. Find sales order. See now here. Go to switch to fulfillment view. Here, see now, earlier it was awaiting supply. Now it is goods available. Why? Because we produced. See, earlier was not shown, right? Just refreshment. Now it is showing. Earlier status was in released status. Now it is in completed status. That means already produced. See, work order completion. Now we need to pick and ship. So now also we will have cancel supply order here. If you want, you can cancel it. And yeah, so that one quantity we produced, it is already reserved, right? So here also you can find what are the components you selected. When you click on this, you will find what components you selected to assemble this product. Okay. Go to actions. See here. It is already reserved. You cannot reserve. Why? Because already it is reservation completed. So, mm, yeah, from here you can cancel order. Entire order will be cancelled, but I don't want to cancel entire order. It is not showing on this. This, mm. Okay, I'll show you. Now we need to first cancel this supply. Then only we can. Okay, that I'll show you in the next creating standard sales order cycle. So now what I'll do, I'll pick and ship it. Now process is same, nothing difference. Go to supply chain execution, inventory management. Go to Picks, create Pickwave, enter order number, sales order number, remove this, then select release now. So select OK. Now I released warehouse from warehouse. So then complete pick confirmation. That means move stock from that particular sub inventory to stays in sub inventory. Open this pick slip. Enable. See, picking from stores. Why? Because stock is available in this sub inventory only. Confirm and go to ship confirm. So this is my shipment number, ship confirm. Now shipped, stock to, see now it is in staged line status. Now I'm shipping, stock will be shipped to customer. Now you go to sales order and find the status. Now also finally we'll get a status awaiting billing only. Then we'll generate here invoice and receivables. Just showing awaiting shipping. We need to wait some time. Background, some ESH jobs will run, right? Mainly manage shipment interface. That must be complete successfully. Then only we'll get status awaiting billing. Awaiting billing. Sorry. Yes, it dot. As financial user. Go to tools, schedule process. Transaction source, distributed order orchestration. So optionally you can select a sales order number, otherwise submit directly without selecting also. Yeah, it is succeeded. Now, anyway, you can find in receivables, you can find. Also, you can find from the order management also. So refresh, it is billed. Once payment is collected, so the status will be closed. Yeah, now we go to switch to fulfillment. Here go to actions, view fulfillment details. Under billing, see here invoices created. Invoice created. Invoice amount. So these are different lines, I think, created. So see why this many times it is showing. So invoice number is same. Just note down this invoice number. Go to receivables. Receivables, billing. Manage transactions. Transaction number. Such. See, total invoice amount this much, 1520. That means 1395 only. Tax also calculated. Here, lines added. Each line, so same it was shown in the where sales order. Then based on this due date, I will collect payment from customer. Then line status will be closed. So any question about this ATO sales order? Okay. So another cycle also completed. So next word. One simple small topic I'll cover in 15 minutes. Then tomorrow we'll move to we'll discuss back to back. Okay. See now, my requirement is, that means business requirement is only my users will create sales order. That's it, and they will submit. They will not involve in manual releasing sales order, picking, shipping, and generating invoice. Once sales order is created, based on the shipment schedule date, it has to release automatically and pick it, ship it, and system has to generate what? Invoice. So how we can manage? This is very important actually, automatic process. So programs and all, we will schedule it. Then only this will, first I will schedule auto import, import auto invoice program. So now you people also create any sales order, it will automatically generate invoice. Why? Because I'm scheduling. I'm showing how to schedule the ESH jobs. Also, to how to release automatically, how to pick automatically. I'll show you. ES1 business unit, distributed order orchestration. So default date. And I'm not selecting any other details. Here you go to advanced, schedule. So in real time, you may schedule based on business requirement every 1 hour or once in a day. But here practice, right? I will schedule every minute. It has to complete quickly. 0 hours every 1 minute. So now time is, it is server located in this time. So yeah, you can change the time zones here by selecting. You can change the time zones. Dubai, Colombo, Calcutta. So today date is 15. What is the time? 8:18. Uh, 8:20. Start from 8:20. Only one day I'll select. Why one day? Today only I'll select. So this should complete by today. I have 10:47. Okay. Today by 10:47, here also only few hours I'm scheduling. After that, this will be ended. Submit. Okay. Now see what will happen. Auto import. Automatically every minute this will be submitted. Same way, I'll create a Pickwave release rule. How we will create Pickwave release rule? Go to supply chain execution. Inventory management. Okay, I'm in Cassie Brown, right? Okay, I'm in SCMPL now. Supply chain execution, inventory management. Create Pickwave. Here, first we need to define release rule. Pickwave release rule. Okay. First go to setup and maintenance. and go to manufacturing and supply chain material management. Okay. Inventory management. Here. Picking. Race sequence rule. Yeah, this one. Manage Pickwave release rules. Create your own rule. Uh, TM 002 release rule. So SIP from organization 002. Here all I will select, and order type, all this I'm not going to mention. And also I'm not going to mention other details. Now go to options. This will work only for 002. Pick from sub-inventory also I'll not mention, but staging sub-inventory I'll mention here. Then release sequence rule, pick slip grouping rule, auto pick, confirm picks, generating automatically shipment number. If anything, automatically pack also. Okay, and here I am selecting SIP confirm rule. Right. Then documents. Save and close. So this start time it is showing 14. Okay. After defining this rule, then go to supply chain execution, inventory management. Create Pickwave. Here, add to release schedule. Not like this. This one. Wait. Not this one. Here, schedule Pickwave. This task. So what is your release rule? I just created release rule TM 002 and click on advanced schedule. Here also I'll select every minute. Why? Because I want to quickly test it. But real time you will not select every minute. Where is Kolkata? It 8 30 a.m. Right. For auto invoice, what selected AM or PM? PM selected, it will not work. Okay, submit. Must be start date. Must enter end date. In India, it is 15th. In server time, it is 14th only. Okay. Now you do one thing, you create one sales order quickly. Order management. Create order. You can create with different customers with different items. Okay. Yes, 0010Y. Quantity. Add. Shipping method. Supply. Submit. Now see what will happen. Okay. Just wait here only. You don't go anywhere. Watch it. What will happen? The status. It got scheduled now. No visa. Awaiting shipping. Hmm. See, it is shipped. It is automatic O2C cycle. Awaiting billing. Background, I scheduled, right? Release rule and auto invoice imported. So because of that, it is automatically changing here. Here, user will not perform any manual actions. My doubt is import auto invoice schedule only. If I selected PM, that will not work. That I haven't observed what I selected, PM or AM. That evening will run auto invoice. Yes, I think AM only. Now it is billed. That means invoice also created. So everything automatic. Here under billing, this is the invoice number created for $264. Any questions? Automatic O2C cycle. Okay, thank you. We'll continue tomorrow.